Hi, today we're going to make these drinks machines and litter bins. They're really easy to make and are really good for a 0 gauge railway track scenery. If I pop these over to one side, I'll just show you. You can print these off the internet for free, and what you need to do is to cut them down to size. Once you carefully cut around all the edges, be careful that you've got the glue tabs and also the internal glue support tabs cut out from the original template. Then you have the glue tab. You need to then cut out and bend, and I would say the easiest thing to do is to use a ruler. Go like that, like that, like that, and also remember the glue tabs like that and that, and then the top piece needs bending as well. So we've progressed from the flat, and now we've got the bent up litter bin ready to go, just needing the glue. And remember, we need to have this internal support tab. So have a little bit of glue on the glue tab, like so. Slip it in to the bin. Now this is the fiddly bit, but if you get it halfway on that side and then halfway on that side. Well, I find if you have the brush, you can then, whoops, see how fiddly this is. I'll attach it one more time. Attach it on that side. Bring the other side around. At this stage, have your brush, put it in like so. Push the pieces together and then push against the brush, so then it folds up neatly. So there we go. Now we just need to do the top piece. We have the brush, put a piece of dab of glue there on the tabs, you can always rub it off a little bit, and then fold them in with your other hand and down. You'll need to hold it there for a few minutes, but you can see how easy it is, and there's the finished article beside it. Just hold it for a few minutes with your fingers just to hold it in shape. We normally use wood adhesive glue for this because it only takes a couple of minutes and it's set. There we go. Now then, you can see how quickly we've done the litter bin. We can do the Pepsi as well. So, like we said before, you print off your template like that. Then you cut it out. Make sure you've got your inner glue support. So the next stage after that is to bend it. Bend it again. Best top tip, have the ruler and fold every line like that, every glue flap. And this one here, you need to just do this piece as well. See that piece there? Look, we've got a little extra tab this time. Make sure we don't forget that one. So nice firm creases, exactly the same as these litter bins that we did earlier. So have the glue, have your inner glue support. Nice little bit of glue. Now, this hopefully won't be so fiddly as the little litter bins because it's a bigger scale. Attach it halfway across and then fold it around. Take this little tab up and out the way for the moment. We can do those later. But then fold it over. Get the joint, as you can see there, look, if you hold it into place, remember our trick with the brush, hold it in, get a nice good covering on the back so you don't see any of the white. Hold it there for a few minutes, hopefully with the wood adhesive glue that we use. Shouldn't take too long. We'll hold it gently like that whilst we just do the glue on these bits. And remember, we've got that little piece there that we need to slip in. So let's push those out. Make sure our little piece here is held firmly into place. Push this piece down with the end of the brush and then try to tuck that piece in. There we go. See, a bit of perseverance, bit of glue on the inner side. Rejoin it. Like that. And then give it time for the glue. The white glue that you can see will dry clear, so don't be worried about what you can see. And there's the finished article. Like I say, you've got endless things you can do. You can print off a Coca-Cola one. You've got some sandwiches. You've got some other ones as well.